Hi children, welcome to mathematics class. First chapter, page number 223. Page number 223. Question number 8. Question number 8. Write the following in expanded form. Again, write the following in expanded form. Expanded form means if the number is given in short form, that short form number we need to write in expand form. For example, I am writing here, if this is 12, that is equal to 10's place here, right? 10 plus 1's place 2. If 148, 100, yes, ones, tens, hundreds, 100 plus ones, tens place this is 40 plus ones place this is 8. This is called expanded form. This is called short form. Expanded form, short form. Okay, now our question is write the following in expanded form. Number is given here. Okay, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. All this is called number. Every individual is called digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number this is. First, let us write places. Ones this is, tens this is, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s. Okay. For ones place, one box is given here. Tens place also box. All the boxes are given for every place. Okay. First of all, what is the place? 10,000's place. What is the place? 10,000's place. Right? 7 10,000's. Example. 10,000's, how many? 7, right? Okay, 7 10,000's. Let us count 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 and 70,000. 7 10,000's is equal to 70,000's. How many zeros will come? 4. Here 70,000. Next, this finish, right? Next 8. 8 is at thousands place. 8 is at thousand place. So how many thousands? 8,000s. 8,000s. So just follow the line. 8,000 here. 3 zeros. 8,000. Finished. Next 3 is here at which place? Hundreds place. 3 is at hundreds place, so that it will become as 300. Just follow the line. 300. 2 zeros. Finished. 2 is here at tens place. At which place? Tens place. 2 tens, 20. Just follow the line. Write 20 here. Finally, 5 is here at ones place. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones is equal to just 5. Okay, clear? Now, what is the number here? 7, 8, 3, 2, 5. Now let us write the expanded form. This is short form. This is called short form. This is the expanded form. How? 70,000. First 70,000 plus what is here? 8,000. 8,000 plus what is here? 300. 300 plus what is here? 20 plus finally what is here? 5. Now what is the number? We write here 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. Yes, number is expanded. We write expanded form. This is 78,325 78,325. This is short form. This is expanded form. Okay. This is the expanded form about 5-digit number. 5-digit number. Okay children, let us have one more example. Let us have one more example. Okay, about 6-digit number. About 6-digit number. This is about 5-digit numbers. Yes, short form was given. We written in expanded form. Okay. Now 6-digit number. Let us deal with 6-digit number. Just I am adding one more digit. Just I am adding one more digit. Here box and one more box here and finally one more box. Okay, 6 digits finished. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Next, what is the number? 986235. 986235. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit number. First of all, what is the place? Ones. Next tens, next hundreds, next thousands, next 10,000s, 10,000s, next lakhs, 10,000 after lakhs. This is Indian system of numeration. This is Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. It means in India we are using this system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. One more system is there, international system of numeration. It means it uses over the world, all over the world. At lakhs place, the difference will be there. Okay. Up to 10,000, it is same. At lakhs place, it is changing as 100,000s. Okay. That is international system of numeration. Okay. Now let us come to point. What is the place here? Lakhs. So 9 at lakhs place will become as 9 lakhs. How many zeros? 5 zeros. If it is a number with 5 zeros, it will be called lakhs. 9 lakhs. Right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 9 lakh. Next 8. 8 at 10,000s place. 8 at 10,000s place. 8 10,000s. 80,000. 8 10,000s. Just follow the line. 80,000. How many zeros? 4 zeros. How many zeros? 4. 80,000 finished. Next 6 at thousands place. Where? 6 at thousands place. So 6,000. Then follow the line. 6,000. 6,000. Next 2 at which place? Hundreds place. 2 at 100 place. 200. 2 at hundreds place. 200. Next 3. 3 at tens place. 3 at tens place. So 3 tens 30. 3 tens 30. Next 5 at ones place. 5 at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones 5. Finish children. Next 986. 986 235. 235. It means 9,86,235. 9,86,235. Let us write this short form into expanded form. Okay. 9 here. 9 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros plus. What is here? 80,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80,000. Next 6,000. 1, 2, 3 plus 200. 200 plus what is here? 30. 30 plus what is here? 5. So writing the expanded form is finished. 9 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. This is expanded form. Again I am telling, this is short form, this is expanded form. Okay. Writing the expanded form is finished children. I explained 2 examples for you. Page number 223, question number 8. In your textbook there are given 2 problems, A and B. A and B. Already I hope you understand the process, how to write the expanded form. So in your textbook 8 question, A and B problems, your homework children, your homework. So let us move to question number 9. Question number 9. Writing expanded form is finished. Next, same page number 223, question number 9. Let us deal with question number 9. First, what is the question? Write the numeral for each of these. Write numeral. Write numeral for each of these. each of these. It means whatever given, we need to write numeral for them. Whatever given, we need to write numeral for them. Nothing is here, just expanded forms are given. What are given here? Expanded forms are given. To understand how to write numeral, let us have some examples, children. Okay? Let us have some examples. I am writing this. Just this is what expanded form. We need to write numeral or short form. Okay. What are given here? 4 zeros, 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 9. So this is ones place, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000. So there is no missing. Okay, children, there is no missing in order. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So first number 2 is here. 2, 10,000s, 20,000, right? Next 8,000, 8,000s, 8,000. Next 600s is 600, right? 7 tens, 70. So 7 right here. Finally 9. What is this called? 28,679. This is what writing the numeral. Okay, this is what writing the numeral. What is given here? Expanded form is given here. Okay. In this case, in this matter, all the places are given. Okay. If some place is missing, it means if some place is not given, how to write? Let us see. Okay, children, look at the given numbers. 3 5 zeros, it means 3 lakh. 7 3 zeros, 7,000. 3 2 zeros, it is 300. 6 0 60 plus 2. Just let us locate the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, this is thousand. Here next order 10,000 should become. Yes, next order 10,000 should become, but 1 2 3 4 5 digit, it means lakhs place here, lakhs place here. It means what is missing? 10,000 is missing. 10,000 is missing. In this situation, how to write the numeral? Let us learn. First of all, 3 lakhs given. Yes, 3 lakhs given. So write 3 here. Lakhs after 10,000 should become. 10,000s not given here, right? 10,000s not given. So at 10,000's place we need to keep a 0. we need to keep a 0. Next, thousands place, what is the number here? 7. Next, at hundreds place, 3, write 3. At tens place, 60, so 6 tens, 6. At ones place, 2, finally 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s, lakh. Now let us read the number 3,07,362. Okay, this is what writing the numeral for given. Okay, each of these, it means which are given. Next, let us see one more example. Five zeros, look at the number 7, 5 zeros, it means 7 lakhs. 9, 4 zeros, 90,000, so 10,000s place. 3, 3 zeros, 3,000. 9, 2 zeros, 900 plus 3. First, let us locate the places. This is ones place. This is hundreds place. Ones after what should become? Tens. Yes. Here tens is missing. Tens is missing. Okay. This is thousands place. This is 10,000s place. This is lakhs place. Let us start to write the numeral for given expanded form. 7 lakhs. So write 7. Next, 10,000s place 90,000. It means 9 10,000s is equal to 90,000. So write 9. 3,000 3 thousands. So 3. Write 3 here. Next, 900s. It is 900. So 9. Next, tens are missing here. Yes, tens place is missing. Keep 0. If any place missing or not given, we need to keep a 0. Next, ones place 3. Now let us read the number 7,93,903. 7,93,903. This is the process to write numerals for given expanded form. Okay children, page number 223, question number 9. There are 2 problems given in your textbook. How many problems? 2 problems are given, A, B. Okay. Already you understand the process, right? So A, B, do your own. It means homework. All the examples which are given, okay, this also write in your classwork notebook and homework do in your homework notebook children. Okay, thank you.